Welcome to Hyalto. Today, we will set up an automator using VMC on AWS. Setting up an automator in VMC in AWS is very similar to setting one up in an on-prem vCenter. First, you deploy the ASA appliance into your VMC on AWS. Then, after setting up firewall rules and powering on the ASA, type in the ASA public IP in the config screen. Next, type in the VMC vCenter's private IP and credentials. Click Test Connection to start the sync. When the sync is complete, you will see all of your VMC vCenter data inside Hyalto. This includes data centers, clusters, data stores, networks, and of course, the virtual machines. What you're seeing here is the vCenter in VMC we were syncing. All the data in this vCenter has now been synced into Hyalto. Now we can create a solution for customers to purchase. Decide which template to use that will be cloned from the customer and select the min-max ranges that the customer will deploy the VM with. You can also add more than one data store for the customer to choose from. Now that the solution is created, we can create a pricing model. You have many options here to figure out how to price a solution. The length of the payment cycle, calculation method, ordered versus usage pricing, tier-based pricing, and one-time fees are just some of the pricing features you can use to set up the perfect pricing model. Let's look at the customer portal now. Here we see the marketplace that the customer can purchase your solutions from. The customer picks a solution, modifies the specs, and purchases it. It's that easy. At this point, the template that is used in the solution will be cloned in the VMC vCenter with the desired specs. Here's a screenshot of the VM that was just purchased inside VMC vCenter. Once the VM is purchased, the customer can make modifications to the VM, power it on and off, and even console in and use the guest OS inside the browser. No third-party tools required. Seeing what your customers have been spending and using is a key feature in Hyalto. You can run a report anytime before the current date and export the data as an XLS file. Inside this file, you can see each client in tabs, and in each tab will be all the services that they have purchased, and the pricing for each service separated by the service's properties. The bottom of the report will show a grand total of how much that customer spent within the date range of that report.